Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to DM somebody on X. Before we start, I need to mention one important thing, that you can only DM people who follow you on X or who have their DMs open to everyone. Okay, so let's open X application on my phone, and you need to tap this letter icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. That's your messages section. Now we want to tap button new message or this plus sign in the bottom right corner of your screen and search for the person that you want to DM by typing their username. From the list that appears, you have to select specific person that you want to DM, and this will redirect you to chat with this person. And finally, you want to type your message, and when you are ready to send it, hit send button, this paper plane icon right here, and now you see that the status of my message is sent. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.